Namaste. Welcome to Yoga for Punctual. Today, we'll begin in a seated position. Thank you for being here. Exhale to drop the chin. Lift the gaze up towards the left and ceiling. Exhale, right, earth. Inhale, left shoulder, ceiling. Exhale, right shoulder. Move with your breath. Punctual. Reverse the direction. Inhale, right shoulder up. Exhale, left, down. Inhale, right. Up, left, and down. Inhale, right. Up, left. Exhale, gaze down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Move with your breath. Punctual, discipline, mental clarity, and time awareness. Find a neutral gaze forward. Rooting through the right sit bone, bring the hands to frame the left thigh. Draw the heart towards the knee. Gaze past the knee. You might notice a compression in the lower left abdomen and an opening in the lower right back. Switch sides. Crown of the head draws you through center. Hands frame the right leg. This time rooting through the left sit bone. Begin to lengthen your exhales. Next inhale, press up. We'll bring the hands to interlace in front and press the palms forward. Breathe. Try to balance your exhales with your inhales. Palms press up. Root to rise. Long through the sides of the waist. Punctual. Next exhale, bend to the left. Inhale, center to the right. Inhale, center. Let it go. Switch the cross of your feet, opposite foot in front. Hands interlace behind the back. Breathe into the fronts of the shoulders, soft through the face. Next inhale, lift the gaze up, release the hands, palms press above the head, and on the out breath through heart center. Next in breath, palms press forward, interlace, maybe opposite finger on top, press up. Roll the shoulders away from the ears. Twist to the left, right hand to left knee. Left hand supporting the sacrum behind you. Breathe. Next inhale walks you back through center to switch sides. Lower belly, lower ribs engage. Outsides of the feet root. Crown of the head draws you back through center. Roll out the shoulders, let it go, shake it out. Be one, then the other, maybe both. Good work. Let's meet in a tabletop position on all fours. Next, inhale. Press forward, gaze up. Grab a block and have a seat on a block. supported thunderbolt posture, Vajrasana. Bring the palms to face up, long through the spine, lower belly, lower ribs engage. Breath of fire, sharp exhales. The inhale is automatic. Engage pelvic floor. Begin. Find your rhythm. Every day is a different day. Uddiyana Bandha, Jalandhara Bandha. Hold your breath and let that go. Good. Bring the palms to heart center. Breath of fire, round 2. Begin. You notice the energy expanding at the heart space with the mudra at the heart. Begin to lift the arms. Exhale completely. Fire at the core. And let that go. Tuck the fingers, thumbs out. Breath of fire, round 3. Begin. Exhale completely. Draw the navel up towards the heart. Hook the thumbs. And let that go. Palms press through heart center. Return to normal breathing. Notice any shifts in energy. Punctual. Bring your blocks to frame the top of the mat. Knees aligned with the hip points, hands slightly wider than the shoulders, root through the index and the thumb. Press the earth away from you, tuck the tailbone. Cat. Begin to articulate from the tailbone, move through the thoracic spine, cervical, gaze up. Cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Return to neutral spine with a natural curve in the low back. Rooting through all 10 fingertips, left foot reaches back. Flex through the foot. Next inhale, right hand reaches forward as if you're shaking someone's hand. Moving into pulses. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, extend. Bend the back knee. Swim the hand around to meet the foot. And let that go, moving into a rich wrist stretch. Flip onto the top of the left hand, and we'll move the torso from side to side, decongesting the wrist, the elbow, and the shoulder joint. Good. Palm flips back over. We'll switch sides from here. Rooting through all 10 fingerprints. Knees are hip width distance. Right foot extends back. Flex through the foot. Inhale, left hand reaches as if you're shaking someone's hand. Extend from the fingertips through the heel, and on the next out breath, elbow to knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, extend. Bend the knee, take hold of the back foot. Try to parallel your shoulders and your hips. Good. Now let that go. Good work. Child's pose, Balasana. Allow the torso to soften in between the thighs, tops of the feet connected to the earth. Uddiyana Bandha, lower belly, lower ribs engage, and on your inhale, press forward, Bhujangasana, Cobra. Exhale, Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward facing dog. Breathe. Punctual. Walk the feet forward, one footprint on the exhale. Inhale. Next exhale, walk forward, one more footprint in 10 steps. Exhale. Walk forward, one more footprint. Come into a forward fold at the top of your mat. Hands are active. Micro bend through the knees. Breathe. You take a big sigh, maybe the deepest breath you've taken all day. Bend generously through the knees, and on your next inhale, begin to roll up vertebra by vertebra. Crown of the head comes up last. Once the crown reaches up, palms rotate open towards the front of you. Continue the reach. Fingertips expand out away from you. Palms reach overhead. Exhale. Bring the palms through heart center. Inhale, reach and extend. Exhale to fold. Inhale, flat back, lengthen the spine, gaze forward. Maybe bring your hands to your blocks. Try to get your spine as flat as possible, lengthening from the tailbone through the crown. I'll let that go. Shake out the head. Flat back. Left knee bends, right hand reaches. Long through the arms, shoulder stacked on shoulder. Tailbone extends away from you. Crown of the head extends away from you, wringing out the organs. Switch sides. Great work. We're almost there. Right hand roots, left hand reaches, shoulder over shoulder. Breathe fully. Punctual. Let that go. Shake out the head. Let it go. Next inhale, flat back. Gaze forward. Right foot steps back, followed by the left. Downward facing dog. Tibetan rights, dancing dog. Inhale forward to upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Always an option to stay in downward dog. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Stick with it. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, tailbone draws you back. Downward dog. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Stay connected to your fingertips. Inhale, upward dog. Strong. Exhale to downward facing dog. Balasana, child's pose. Let it go. Option to keep the arms extended or walk the arms next to the torso, palms face up. Punctual. Great work today. The light in me honors and sees the light in you. I hope you enjoyed this video and found value. And if you did, click the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and send the video to a friend that you think might benefit from the practice. Have a great day. Namaste.